My name is Monica Felix, and I'm here again with you to share today another video of my BodyRock series. This time, we're gonna stretch in the mat in a workout that I call Next Morning Mat. For those days that you just open your eyes and you feel like a truck hit you and you didn't write the license plates and you feel like, oh my God, how am I gonna get out of bed? After doing a great effort, enjoying what you like to do in life, or maybe you're arriving from a very long trip, or you just finished a race, or just were out partying all night. Well, this is the moment. So this is what this workout is about, to give the time to ourselves to stretch, restore, get again in our bodies, and let's do it.